Have you ever wondered how diabetes silently damages the body? What if I told you that this condition doesn't just affect your blood sugar levels, but can also lead to severe complications affecting almost every organ in your body? Today we're diving deep into how diabetes deteriorates the body step by step, unraveling the complex journey of this chronic disease. Stay with us to discover the hidden impacts and the mechanisms behind this silent destroyer. Understanding diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition where the body either can't produce enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does produce. Insulin is a crucial hormone that helps glucose, the sugar from food, enter cells to be used for energy. Without proper insulin function, glucose stays in the bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is an autoimmune condition where the immune system attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Type 2 is more common and involves the body becoming resistant to insulin or not producing enough insulin. The initial impact on the body. When diabetes first sets in, no matter if it is type 1 or type 2, elevated blood sugar levels are just the beginning of a cascade of issues. High blood sugar makes blood thicker and more viscous, putting extra strain on the heart as it pumps blood through the body. This increased effort can lead to high blood pressure and damage to blood vessels over time. The immediate effects also include excessive thirst, frequent urination, and fatigue as the body struggles to manage the surplus glucose. Additionally, high blood sugar can impair the body's ability to heal wounds and fight infections, making even minor cuts and bruises a potential risk. We'll go over this more later. These early signs indicate the body's struggle to maintain balance, setting the stage for more severe complications if blood sugar levels remain uncontrolled. Damage to blood vessels. Blood vessels are the lifelines that supply oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. When blood sugar levels remain high, it damages the lining of these vessels. This damage can cause the vessels to become stiff and narrow, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis significantly increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. The small blood vessels, known as capillaries, are also affected. These are found in vital organs such as the eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Damage to these vessels can lead to complications like diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness, diabetic nephropathy, leading to kidney failure, and diabetic neuropathy, resulting in nerve damage. The heart and blood vessels. Diabetes significantly heightens the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Persistently high blood sugar levels contribute to the buildup of fatty deposits in the blood vessels, leading to atherosclerosis, or the narrowing of the arteries, a condition where arteries become narrow and less flexible. This obstructed blood flow increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The heart must work harder to pump blood through these narrowed vessels, often resulting in high blood pressure and eventually heart failure. Furthermore, diabetes can cause changes in the heart muscle, affecting its ability to contract properly. These cardiovascular complications highlight the critical need for managing blood sugar levels to protect heart health and prevent severe outcomes. Impact on the nervous system. One of the most painful and debilitating effects of diabetes is neuropathy. High blood sugar levels can damage nerves, especially in the extremities like the feet and hands. This condition, known as peripheral neuropathy, causes symptoms like tingling, numbness, burning, and pain. Over time, severe nerve damage can lead to loss of sensation, increasing the risk of injuries and infections that can go unnoticed and untreated, sometimes necessitating amputations. The eyes and vision. Diabetes can have a profound impact on vision through a condition called diabetic retinopathy. This condition occurs when high blood sugar levels damage the small blood vessels in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. In the early stages, diabetic retinopathy might not cause any symptoms, but as it progresses, it can lead to vision loss and even blindness. People with diabetes are also at a higher risk of developing cataracts and glaucoma. The kidneys and renal function. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste from the blood and regulating fluid balance. Diabetes can severely impact renal function, aka kidney function, through a condition called diabetic nephropathy. High blood sugar levels damage the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their filtering capacity. Over time, this damage can lead to chronic kidney disease and eventually kidney failure. When the kidneys can't filter waste effectively, harmful substances build up in the body, causing a range of health issues. In severe cases, dialysis or a kidney transplant may become necessary. Early detection and management of diabetes are crucial to preventing kidney-related complications and preserving renal kidney health. The digestive system. Diabetes can significantly affect the digestive system through a condition known as gastroparesis. High blood sugar levels damage the nerves controlling stomach muscles, slowing the movement of food from the stomach to the small intestine. This delay causes symptoms like nausea, vomiting, bloating, and abdominal pain. Gastroparesis can make it difficult to manage blood sugar levels because the timing of food absorption becomes unpredictable, leading to further complications. Additionally, diabetes increases the risk of other gastrointestinal issues, including acid reflux and constipation. Managing diabetes and maintaining stable blood sugar levels are essential to minimize the impact on the digestive system and improve quality of life. The skin and infections. Diabetes can have profound effects on the skin, making it more prone to infections and other issues. High blood sugar levels can weaken the immune system, reducing the body's ability to fight off infections. As a result, people with diabetes may experience frequent skin infections, slow-healing wounds, and a condition called diabetic dermopathy, characterized by light brown, scaly patches on the skin. Additionally, they are at higher risk for fungal infections, such as athlete's foot and yeast infections. Proper skin care, vigilant monitoring of any skin changes, and maintaining good blood sugar control are crucial for preventing and managing these complications. Mental health. Living with diabetes can take a significant toll on mental health. The constant need to monitor blood sugar levels, adhere to medication schedules, and make lifestyle adjustments can be overwhelming and stressful. People with diabetes are at an increased risk of developing depression and anxiety due to these ongoing demands. Furthermore, fluctuations in blood sugar levels can affect mood and cognitive function, leading to irritability, difficulty concentrating, and fatigue. These mental health challenges can make managing diabetes even more difficult. It's important for individuals with diabetes to seek support, whether through counseling, support groups, or healthcare providers, to address these psychological impacts and maintain overall well-being. Diabetes is a complex and multifaceted disease that affects nearly every part of the body. Understanding the various ways it can deteriorate the body step by step highlights the importance of early detection, effective management, and ongoing care. By keeping blood sugar levels under control, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and working closely with healthcare providers, individuals with diabetes can reduce the risk of complications and lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into managing diabetes and other health conditions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and take care.